start now. Reyster.
Okay, so put an L in the front and let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tag. And next is Vinci.
Yeah. This, I want to call this the headphone dance. So you just groove like this and this and this and this. So the point is you switch your hands and you switch your feet. You will explain the feet.
Okay, and okay, to learn the feet, okay? You're just going to out, in, out, in, out, in. It's very basic, so let's do it from the top, okay?
Let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8. Lovey, sweetie, make me crazy.
Headphones.
Lovey, sweetie.
Always feel my heart.
Yeah, that's it. It's very easy, right?
We want to see your version of lovey-dovey point dance, so please make fun videos out of it.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Horizon has finally released Lovey-Dovey, and this is our first song here in South Korea. And
Wow.
it means so much to us that we're going to be releasing the music video now, and it's now for you anchors, it's now released to you, so please watch it lots of times. We had so much fun shooting the music video. We had lots of sets, like you had the cotton candy.
We had our own like
ice cream. Yeah, it was such
toast.
a